it's like the world is full of energy. Sometimes it's trying to give you information. Sometimes guys like us, who in the past maybe were focused on, process and results and stuff, I didn't always acknowledge some of that information, but now as I get older and wiser, I'm starting to think, you know what? This is the world telling me something. It's saying, do more with these people, share more of this energy. And so, I'm now going with it more at this age.
It's true, brother. I feel it too. It's fun. It was with you and I, the surprising part was because it wasn't in person. So normally when I feel something, the sense that strong, I usually am in the presence of somebody, but I felt it with you and I, even through this forum right here. And one thing about energy, you're always making people feel something. And so the more intentional you become to some extent about what you are making people, just be aware you're making people feel something, the more you're going to have a better ability to connect with people just in general. And it's amazing to me how many people are oblivious to the fact that at any given moment, you're always making people feel something.
It's so true. It's something I used to tell to a lot of the young men and women here when they were coming in. I said, you say you're a leader, and they'd say, well, I'm not the head of the department. And I said, but every day someone's watching you and they're getting inspiration from you or not. It could be your family, your friends, colleagues. And so everyone's always vibing off of you. And if you can come in and have that focus, that plan, that good energy, that positivity, that one more attitude, then you'll be amazed where it takes you. And it was always interesting the way they looked at me, because some of them started to understand, but like you said, I don't know if everybody's aware of that, but it's something maybe everyone should think about now, is that, like you said, people are always getting some energy from you, right?
Yeah, they are. I bet more people get it from you than you think, brother, because your example's so good. We were talking about our daughters before we started. And, one thing in parenting I've realized, and in leadership in general, so parenting is the ultimate leadership position, right? But like most things in life, most lessons, at least for me, have been caught, not taught. People catch it. They catch it when they're around you. We're always trying as leaders, teach a lesson, teach our children things. That works a little bit, but they catch things every single day, even when we're not looking. And so if you don't think you're in a leadership position, you're teaching people things all the time about who you are, what you stand for, what kind of an influence you can have, the impacts you make, because it's caught, not taught in every environment. You don't need a title or a tag or a position in order to do that.